So, it's time for part 2 of Where Are the Chips, Harley? On today's Graybeard Biker. Now, you may remember I did a video asking Harley where the commemorative poker chips that they promised to mail out to those of us that participated in the Homecoming Push Challenge were. You see, the attendance of the 120th anniversary Homecoming Festival in Milwaukee was a lot more than they expected, and they ran out of chips. But they promised to mail them out.
And they're mailing the poker chips. If you haven't heard, we're out.
Yep. This was on July 15th. That was 87 days ago. 3 months. So, a month ago, I sent up a flare, asking Harley for answers and asking you guys to comment on our video and social media posts to raise awareness that we were all waiting. I did get a response to one post saying that it would take time. I then invited him to be interviewed about it and to address the community here, but he didn't respond. Then I'm getting ready to make a "Why Are They Still Not Here" video, and this happens. Alright, so ironically, I just thought to do a part 2 to the "Where's the Chips" video. And lo and behold, today I got a package from Harley's Owners Group in Wisconsin. Let's see what it is, shall we? They're loose in here. But that's exactly what they are. So, we got the chips. Come take a look. We've got Suburban, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and West Bend. So I'm very pleased that they followed through and did what they said. So good job, Hog. All right, so let me tell you about this. I was planning on doing another video. I literally wrote the script for it yesterday about these chips not having been here yet, and it having been numerous weeks since the event, and they show up today. That is really good. I'm very pleased that Harley's Owners Group in this case actually followed through with what they said. There was a lot of people that were really concerned that that wasn't going to happen, and that would have put a bad taste in their mouth. So that's very good. However, I run a marketing agency in my day job, and I have to say, huge opportunity missed here, Harley-Davidson. You sent me a manila envelope, you guys saw it, about this big, with nothing but the chips in it. Would have been nice to have a thank you for your loyalty, some sort of notification collateral piece inside of that would have gotten you the goodwill from your customers, which obviously played this game and went to all of your dealerships. How nice to say thank you, but you didn't do that. Missed opportunity. And I'll tell you something else. You could have gotten that entire mailer for free. All you had to do was approach one of your plethora of partners and say, hey, we're gonna send out a package. Would you like to put a coupon in it? They would have paid you for that, would have paid for the whole thing. Missed opportunities. But alas, I don't run the marketing for everybody in the world. So, glad that they got here. So if you haven't gotten yours, you probably will soon. So mine just came today. Today is the 10th of October. So hopefully you'll get yours soon. Let us know in the comments.